Watercolor Studio is a helper for learning artists powered by Gemini, from beginner to experts. You can generate an image by prompt or by selecting a color palette. If you have preferences with colors, in my case, I love raw sienna, French ultramarine, and burnt umber. Choose between landscape or portrait, and it will generate a painting to use as a reference. You can see the value study, and to start painting first, we need to sketch it. This will create an overlay for the sketch with a grid system to port it to your painting. The grid have multiple options in even diagonal lines. The guide will provide steps to follow for this painting, using the colors selected. If you feel lost or have specific questions, you can ask the chatbot instructor. I struggle with painting rocks. The art instructor gives me a good advice using context from the selected colors and the guide. You can also go hands-free by going to the live session. If you have an existing picture, you can upload it. Transform it to watercolor too. Review your painting progress by uploading it here. This is my painting and I've achieved a good score. I struggle with dark tones and it is recommending me to work on that next. You can also go full screen and download the painting generated. Let's start painting!